auto sales, taking you for a ride in our Laguna S3 454. Nice tight car, drives good. Running about 3,000 RPMs. I see we got to do some work on the speedometer because it doesn't work, so it'll be going back into the shop, get that looked at. Pretty much everything else on the car works, so as you've seen in my earlier videos. So a pretty rare car, especially with a 454. So and this is a nice one. So if you're looking for an investment type car, or just had one of these when you were young, this will be definitely a good one to have. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.